Hi everyone! It's Cinthya with an I, and welcome back to the channel. So you might notice the background's different, and that is because I'm actually filming or recording in my living room. Today's actually a very nice sunny day, and I decided to record in the living room. I'm gonna be showing you this product here that I bought on eBay, and it's a makeup brush cleaner, portable electronic automatic. So the first time I saw this product was on Instagram, and it was like $50. Yeah, and I was like, I am not gonna pay $50 for that. So of course I went on eBay, and Chinese people have it, and of course China was selling it for less cheaper than what I saw on the Instagram, the original one that I saw. Let me see, it was, let me take a look, because it was like $12 or $20, $19.95, and it was free shipping, and it got here like in 3-4 days. It was pretty fast. I would expect them to take longer, but it actually got here really quick. So it has not been opened yet. I wanted to make this video to show you all how it works and if it really works. There was one that was like $13, but I know it's pretty cheap, and I know it wouldn't have like the best quality, so I went for the $20 one. So let's go ahead and open it. So it comes with a little instruction. So according to this, it says about 10 seconds to quick drying. So let's see. This was really hard to get out, but these are the base. These are the colors. I don't know. This is where I guess you attach your brush to. It comes with the little fish ball. It's a close, of course, plastic. It's a nice little bowl. It comes in this nice soft fabric bag, and this is the machine that I guess works the magic. It does not come with any batteries, so definitely you will have to buy some batteries for it, which I believe I do have. This is the base right here. So I believe you would put the heads or the colors, whatever they are called, just put them here. I don't know, we'll have to find out. Alright, and that's everything that's in the box. You're supposed to put it to pretty much just stay in the water for 5 seconds, and then start to spin in the liquid for 10 seconds, spin above the liquid for 10 seconds. I'm gonna be using the Duracell batteries, and yep, they're AAA, the tiny ones. So it says here that for the brushes with they use for like loose powder and blushes and all that stuff, that the bowl should be filled up to 4 milliliters. And for the ones that I use for foundation or like liquids, it's 10 to 20 milliliters. So it's a different milliliter thing, I don't know. Here are the brushes that I will be cleaning. Of course, I'm not gonna do them all on camera because that would take me probably 30 minutes. I don't know. But I just want to show you guys how good this machine works, and we'll judge it together. So here's a ball. Hello. Hello. There was something in there. I don't know what it was. And I have a container with just plain normal tap water, and I'm not sure what exactly to wear, but I'm gonna just take a quick guess and just kind of do it up to here. And I'm gonna be using the Eco Tools makeup brush shampoo. Just gonna pour it here, as you can see. Alright, we're gonna put this, I guess it goes like this. Oh, it doesn't fit. Let me see. I don't want to break it. So it looks like this. You put this little head in here. Let's start with one of the dirtiest brushes that I use to see. If you see it right here, it's a foundation brush, and it's pretty dirty. I decided to buy this because, you know, sometimes you have that special brush that you use all the time and it just gets dirty super fast and stuff. So it says that it takes about 30 seconds pretty much to clean and dry the brush at the same time. So we will take a look at that. Let's choose this one, grab it, I connect it to this one here, like this. So now it should look like this. Oops. Connect it. Let's take time to see if it would take us about 30 seconds to actually get this clean. Oops. So leave it in for 5 seconds so you see all the nastiness coming out. And then you start spinning. Turn it on. Take it out and you just kind of let it air dry. Oh my god, it feels so weird. My hand is like shaking. I feel like I'm gonna drop this bowl. So let's see. Okay, so it took me about a minute, and maybe because it's like the first time to do it, I don't know, but almost a minute, 54 seconds. And let's see. Honestly, it does look cleaner, and it does feel dry. Maybe, yeah, it does feel dry, and not fully dry, but it feels dry. And this is all the makeup that was removed from it, so it definitely takes out the stuff in it. So maybe if I try it again, let's do this one more time and just leave it for a longer time, and let's see how long does it actually take to do everything right. All right, obviously not 30 seconds. It's making like some bubbles, I don't know. So I'm like, you know when your mom makes you do like the huevo to if you're Mexican, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know, like when you're doing the huevo to put out the foam to make it foamy. That's exactly what this looks like. I'm not even kidding. Wow. So yes, see, if you leave it for a longer time, it's not like, I would say say. It's not like when you like wash it by hand and like, you know, use something to like how you would wash your regular brushes. So I wash mine, I get like the little thing to wash, you know what I mean, that little hand, and then do it like that. It definitely doesn't leave it like them, but it does take a lot of access. So if you can see it here, you can see there that there's some makeup in there. So I would say I'll give it a 7 out of 10 with the big brushes. Now let's try a small brush and see how that goes. Let's try this one, guys. I'm using the same one, and this one I use a lot. This is like one of my favorite brushes. I've been having it like ages, years, forever, and it's pretty damn dirty. I use this for bronzing and stuff, so there should be a lot of things coming out from this. So once again, we're just gonna dip it here for about 5 to 10 seconds. I'm not gonna go with 5 seconds is not a lot, so I'm gonna leave it for 10 seconds. Okay, so I think I created too much foam in the cup, so it's gonna be a little bit harder for it to dry. If you can see here, you can't even, all you see is foam, literally. I think I created too much foam in here, so I'm just gonna kind of let it out like this. So this is how it looks like when it's spinning it. So we're gonna stop. Whoa. Talk about bad hair day. Again, I think I created way too much foam, and I don't know. But let's see. Wow. No, guys, this one definitely looks super clean. This brush looks amazing. I think I have to let it dry for a few more seconds. This one looks really, really clean. This one looks amazing. It feels really, really nice. It feels dry. There's no water or anything. Honestly, for a $20 product, it works really, really good. It did not make any really mess around where I'm filming. It did create a lot of foam in here, if you can see that. Kind of looks like a smoothie. I want to drink it now. No, I'm just kidding. It works super good, better than I expected, honestly. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I really like it, actually. It's not messy at all, and it was pretty affordable. Like, I mean, compared to paying $50 from what I saw on Instagram, there's no way I was gonna pay $50 for something like that. I just wanted to show you how this new product that I got worked, and I do recommend it for you guys. I will be leaving the website in the description box where I got it. I did get it from eBay, and I will leave the link, exactly the one that I got. So if you guys are interested, I know it can be really, really, really hard to wash this brushes, especially, you know, we use them daily. I mean, at least I do, because girl, I like doing my makeup almost every day, you know, so I get them dirty really fast, and that's why when I saw this, I wanted to buy it, and I was like, it has to be mine. My precious. I hope you guys liked this video, or it was helpful. If it was helpful in any way, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. And if you are subscribed, please don't forget to share with your loved ones, your family, your parents, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your grandma, your little niece, so you guys can help me grow this channel. I will definitely appreciate it. Yeah, show me some love and let's get to 100 subscribers. So thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye.